Alright guys, now let's move on to the section B, which is match the column type questions. Here we have different matching options and we have to solve it, which is a part of machine learning. So if you see here in the screen, here two columns are there, column A and column B. So we have to solve this. For first, Manhattan distance. So first Manhattan distance, think of it like a moving in a city with straight roads. You can only move vertically or horizontally. So how do we calculate it? We take absolute difference between coordinates and add them. So option B, sum of absolute difference, is the answer for first Manhattan distance. So Manhattan distance, option B is correct answer. Now next, second one is Euclidean distance. Euclidean distance. Euclidean distance is the most uh, common distance calculated formula. It's a straight line between 2 points, like drawing a diagonal between them. So it matches with K2 norm straight line distance. Option number A for question number 2. Question number 3, Pearson coefficients. Pearson coefficients basically measures linear relationship between two variables. Linear relationships between two variables. Formula is covariance of x and y divided by their standard deviation. So the correct match is option number D, covariance of x and y divided by its standard deviation. Now next, question number 4, Spearman coefficient. Spearman coefficient doesn't use actual values, instead it uses rank of values. So even if your data is not linear, it means non-linear, Spearman still works. That's why the match is correlation based on ranks. Are you getting? So question number 4, option number C is correct. Next question, L1 regularization. L1 regularization, this is a very important. L1 makes some coefficient exactly 0, which means it automatically selects features. So the correct match is E, shrink some coefficient to 0. Next, L2 regularization. Here L2 regularization, unlike L1 and L2, never makes coefficient 0. It simply reduces the size of all coefficient evenly. Shrink all coefficient proportionally is the correct answer. Next, bagging. Bagging stands for bootstrap aggregating. What happens here? We create multiple data sets using bootstrapping, train a model on each, then average the result. Random forest is the perfect example of bagging. So correct match is G, bootstrap aggregation of trees. Next is boosting. Question number 8, boosting. Boosting works step by step. Each new model tries to fix the mistake of previous model. So it focuses more on hard to classify points. So right option is here. Option number H, sequentially focused on misclassified sample. Next, ridge regression. Ridge regression is basically linear regression with L2 penalty. The cost function adds a penalty times the sum of squared coefficients. So we matches here uses penalty. Option number I, lambda. Lambda times the sum of squared coefficients. Next is lasso regression. Lasso regression is last one, and here you see last option is remaining, that is option J. Lasso regression applies the L1 penalty, which is the sum of absolute values of coefficients. Because of this penalty, lasso can make coefficient 0 helpful for feature selection. So the match here is option number G. So that completes section B. We matched each ML concepts with its correct explanation and understood why the match makes sense. So if you want, I can also make some videos on next section. So see you soon. Thank you.